A lot of people misunderstand who fearful avoidants actually chase. They think they don't chase at all, but they actually do. People assume fearful avoidants chase love, chemistry, intensity, or passion. But that's not really what's driving them. What fearful avoidants are chasing is safety. And when I say safety, I don't mean perfection or someone who never has emotions. I mean how their nervous system feels when they're around you. It's your energy they can feel, and they always think if they will feel calm around you, or if they feel pressure or need space, and if they feel like they can breathe, or do they feel like they're being pulled emotionally. Safety for a fearful avoidant is an energetic experience, not a logical decision. It's all about feeling, not how beautiful or handsome you are. Fearful avoidants often feel attraction before they feel safe, and that's why things can feel confusing. They might like you, connect with you, enjoy you, and still pull back. That doesn't mean the connection wasn't real. It means their nervous system hasn't decided yet that getting close with you is safe. Most fearful avoidants grew up in environments where closeness came with consequences. Love might have not been consistent, emotions weren't handled well, and getting close often meant getting hurt, pushed away, or overwhelmed. So their system learned to stay alert around intimacy. Because of that, it usually takes time for a fearful avoidant to see that someone is actually safe. And during that time, they test, not consciously, and not to manipulate you, but because their nervous system needs proof. They might pull back a little to see if you panic or chase. They might go quiet to see if you respect space or take it personally. They might express doubt or start a little confusion and watch how you respond. What they're really watching is whether you stay emotionally regulated when they're not. Safety to a fearful avoidant looks like consistency, calmness, and emotional balance in a person over time. It looks like someone who doesn't collapse emotionally when things feel uncertain. Someone who can communicate without pressure. Someone who doesn't make them responsible for regulating their feelings. When someone reacts intensely, gets anxious, becomes reactive, or emotionally floods them, even if the feelings are understandable, the avoidance system registers that as unsafe. It has nothing to do with the person being bad, but because not knowing what's coming next puts the body on high alert. Sometimes they're always waiting for something to go wrong. Once a fearful avoidance system decides someone doesn't feel safe, it can be hard for them to see that person differently right away. Even if you say you are now secure, change or calm down later, their body remembers how it felt before. That's why reassurance alone doesn't always work. What rebuilds safety for them is consistent emotional behavior over time, not intensity or words in the moment. This is also why fearful avoidants sometimes choose partners who seem less intense or emotionally loud. From the outside, it can look like they're choosing someone boring or distant, but really they're choosing regulation. Their nervous system feels steadier around people who don't create emotional, intense moments. They're not chasing excitement first. They're chasing a sense of internal calm. And this is where a lot of people get hurt, because fearful avoidants can genuinely care about you and still pull away if their nervous system doesn't feel safe yet. It's not that you weren't enough. It's not that the connection wasn't meaningful. It's that safety hadn't been established in a way their body could trust. Fearful avoidants don't fall in love the way anxious attachers do. Love doesn't lead the way for them. Safety does. And once safety is there, love can actually deepen and stay. But without safety, no amount of chemistry or effort can override their nervous system. That's who fearful avoidants chase. Not love first, safety first. And when they finally feel safe, the connection becomes much more real grounded, and lasting.